Good morning, Charles here from the Rotten Tofu YouTube channel, and today we are going to do a little bit of camping and hiking. We are now here at Barangay Ramirez, Magallanes, Cavite. We are going to hike the Mount Marami, part of the Pico de Loro mountain range, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Narinig. Lalagyan ko naman ng papatukan ko naman ng music to lang. pa kayo sa mga...
Kapag yung nag-ano ng Paris boss.
Oh, wag po! So, I'm supposed to go camping for tonight, but I got really tired from the hike and don't really have energy left to set up camp. So now we are going back to the trail and go home. So far, I reached the second checkpoint to the summit, about 6.8 kilometers. The total of the hike being 9 kilometers, elevation included. But yeah, we're going home. Few days since that hike, and I've had fun doing that video, and I hope you guys liked watching this video as much as I liked filming it, and I hope you guys watch more of my videos. I'm trying to put out more nature videos very soon, so I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching.